So everything starts from here. When I was exploring in Temu and I saw her for the first time, and I feel like I should have it. And yes, look at me and what I have. Solar panels. And you have to see it in different angles because I'm happy. Let's connect it. Let's go for it. I know what I'm trying to connect. It's really trash, but this is smart garbage, so it's normal here. And I will use the I don't know what it's called in English. By the way, I will use this hole to connect the wires, set the wires inside. I have 2 solar panels, so let's connect the second one. What is better than 1 solar panel? 2 solar panels. Let's connect it. Right. Yep. We will send the second wire. We have sun, solar, everything we want, we have, except control panel. Let's connect control panel to solar system. Make sure every wire is tight enough. Let's test it with black to black, red to red. Check the controller. We have voltage. Yay! Great. That's all we want. Let's try the second one. Again, black to black, red to red. If it's come to my hand. Yes, you can see already. Yeah. Great. We have voltage. So all is good here. So we will mix them. We don't need to make them separate here. And let's put something inside so they are not connected together. We don't want it to explode. And let's try with the light. Everything good except the sky. There is no sun anymore. No sun, no solar. Anyway, after 2 days, I'm here with 2 batteries. Let's connect the batteries. Again, red to red, black to black. And until I'm connecting the wire, I should mention it. As I have 2 batteries, make sure your 2 batteries are exactly same ampere, exactly same voltage, and it will be great if it's exactly same brand even. We just connect the batteries and we see everything works fine. Here I'm showing which batteries I'm used. 7 ampere, 12 volt. And I'm connecting the second battery right now to the first battery. So here also black to black and red to red. So we will have 12 volt, 7 plus 7, 14 ampere. And as you see, I'm so happy and I'm thinking about something actually. Oh yeah, I got it. I can use 12 volt lamp, so it will be shiny and I don't need any convert things or something. This lamp works with 12 volt batteries. So everything is good. Let's tighten everything hard and we will come back in the next video and we will make this smart garbage smart house. Make sure you subscribe and you're gonna watch the next videos because then we will make everything smart. That will be great. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.